up? It's your girl Simone Charisse, and today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my most famous blow dry on my lace front wig. So in this video I'm using a Salon Club Freestyle barrel brush set. Alright guys, so they sent me this entire large box of roll brushes and clips that come with it with one handle. So this is everything that I was sent. And you guys know I'm all about blow drying my hair to make it look smooth and nice. So this is like the best thing for me because buying each brush individually can really add up. So the fact that these actually come like in like different sizes all as one is like the best thing ever. So this is how the largest barrel looks. You get like several of these brushes, and each brush kind of comes with its own clip thingy like this, and that's for you to hold the brush in place when you move it on to the next curl. It comes in this red box right here. To attach your brush, you're gonna see that this is the handle that they give you from Salon Club. When you look at this part, you see like this little oval. Then when you look at your brush, you're gonna see that there's like this weird oval end as well. Well, let's put two and two together, and when you match them up, they kind of just snap into each other. So it's a magnetic force. You just pull it apart, and that's it. That's your brush. So for the first step is make sure your hair is brushed out. Make sure you have all your tangles out of your hair. So I'm just gonna use a paddle brush or a weave brush, whatever you want to call it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a rat tail comb. And I'm just going to, like I said, my wig is not styled yet, so if it doesn't look natural, ignore that part. So you don't want too much hair. You don't want to take up too much hair, but you don't want to take up too little bit of hair because you only have like, what, 9 rollers. So I have this large chunk of a piece. That's why I'm going to use the biggest brush for that. Okay, so you can see it fits it perfectly. Okay, just going to brush it out. So let's put this on it. Alright guys, so now we're going to go down to the next size. So we have this one. Let's go ahead and attach it. Take off your comb. And what I didn't explain to you guys is when you're doing a blow dry, you need to have force with it, okay? So obviously my wig is really on securely because I'm pulling. Don't pull too hard because you're going to rip the lace or hurt your scalp. So the point is you want to straighten it first. But I'm going to take the brush, and my whole purpose is to straighten the roots first, okay? So if you kind of hold the hair, put the brush in, hold the hair kind of like that, it allows you to pull more force and allows you to straighten the hair a little bit more. Now when I go ahead and get down to the roots, when I go ahead and get down to the ends of the hair, I'll take it and I'll flip it like this, okay? So that there's more pull on the hair. And then I'll just take my blow dryer and chase it down with the brush. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it once again. And as you can see, the curl is starting to form, or the shape, or the bend, or whatever you wanna call it. Now I'm gonna go, as I'm doing it, I'm gonna rotate the brush, okay? So as I'm going down, rotate down, rotate down. So you can see how it's starting to look. Starting to get a curl right there, see? Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead, continue. And you can see the hair is straight now. There's no more, it gives it more like life. And that's what I love about a blow dry. It gives you life and it makes it look like it has more body. Look, I'm at the end now. I'm just going to, blow dry is hot. I'm just gonna roll it up neatly, keeping it flipped. Detach your brush. Take your comb, your clip thingy. Okay, so now you have the second one. Re-up if you need to re-up on product, just take a little bit. Also guys, what I want to tell you is it's easier to start from the top down. So you saw how I did right here first and then right here. Don't do that. You'll be like wanting to kill yourself after a while. Oh my god. So alright, so we have this one right here. Yo, oh my god, I really am sick. Alright, we have this one right here. Yo, this is about to be a killer because your arms are about to be burning. Alright, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up right now. So let me go ahead and connect my brushes, and I actually only have 3 left, so I need to start making my chunks a tight bit bigger. So the smallest one and 2 mediums. So but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my struggle. Alright guys, I'm so freaking hot. I'm about to use this blow dry. I put it on cool mode to dry my face down. I'm trying to sweat. I always sweat on my mustache. I don't know why. Back to the hair. My hair is all done. I just let it sit for like 15 minutes. I mean, I didn't have to be honest, but let's go ahead and take it out. All right, I don't know where to start. Okay. Okay, so this is my end result. Oh my god, I'm a little bit in love. This looks so good. And that was so easy to do, I'm not gonna even lie, because I think the curls being held in the brush made it like look 10 times better, like, and just stay 10 times longer. So alright, so now I have my hairspray, right? And I'm just gonna spray 3 pumps in my hand and just go through the hair. And if you want, you can go ahead and use a paddle brush. But yeah, so this is how it looks. What I usually do to keep the layered look is I will, if you brush your hair this way and then smush it this way, it kind of falls that way. See? Alright, so this is my end result, guys. I really love this, to be honest. This crap is popping. I really like this a lot. And I didn't even put a part in my hair, guys. I literally have no part, and I just love it. I didn't use any hairspray either, so this is no hairspray. And my hair just looks so alive. Like, no hairspray or anything, and this is how it looks. I think it looks freaking fab. Actually, let me take a picture real quick. And I just love how natural this looks. It's like, oh, this is my hair. This grew out of my scalp. Let me stop. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything will be down below as far as products, and the actual brush set will be down below. So if you have any questions about anything, let me know and we can go ahead and go forward with answering the questions. Let me stop. Alright, bye guys!